Okay, so this morning's walk is starting at the Blue Church. Look how beautiful that is. We had to get up early because it's only open from 6:30 till 7:30 this morning, and then tomorrow 5:30 at night. So limited opening hours. Right, let's go have a look inside. Just getting our first look at the bridge over the Danube. So it's a bit like Budapest, reminds us of Budapest with the riverboats right there. Oh, and down there is the UFO Bridge. It's got another name, but I think people call it the UFO Bridge. So we've come from over that way, and we're going to cross over to that other side, walk down and hopefully cross the UFO Bridge and then to the castle. Halfway across the bridge there's a viewing platform that sticks out a bit further. We've got quite a good view down the river and can now see the castle. So that's where we're aiming to go, but we're doing a loop walk out around the river first. So the bridge we're using to cross is called the Stary Most bridge, which of course means old bridge. It doesn't look very old, so I'm thinking they've done some major renovations to it over the years. So the nice thing about this bridge is it doesn't seem to have cars on it, just trams, which you're going to see go past. There goes one. Whoa, another one coming the other way. But no cars, just bikes and pedestrians and trams. Makes for a much more peaceful walk. Found our way down to the walkway beside the river. Pretty quiet down here, not many people. This area looks very underused. It's quite nice beside the river, but it just doesn't look like there's much development here. Maybe just not enough tourists or not popular enough. The other side too doesn't, you know, there's cruise boats, but there's a road, I guess that put people off, but yeah, no restaurants or anything. There's a restaurant just coming up, but not many people. We're crossing back over to the other side on the road bridge, except the walkway cycleway is below the cars, so the cars are up above us. We're beside a very busy main road. There's a church there. We found some steps and parts of an old historic wall with a walkway which we think goes in the direction we need to go. So we're going to try having a look along here. Hopefully it's not a dead end. We'll probably be able to see the street out here. Busy, busy. Oh, so there's the UFO Bridge where we've come from. Very busy road, sorry. Castle's kind of behind those buildings there, and I think we're going up the cross over there where that man is dancing. Alright, that's the old city walls which we're leaving behind now, heading up these steps. And more steps. Well, you can hardly get to a castle on a hill without going up a hill, can you? Lots of tagging around here. We probably could have had a day off steps today, after yesterday. no such luck. Well, we found an entrance. Open from 8 AM until 10 PM every day. A lot of apartments out there. So that's the opposite side of the river to the old town. Big wind farm over there. We finished our walk up at the castle and we're back down here again, heading back into the old town area. We've been back to the apartment, had a coffee, and now it's just after 10 AM, so we're going to try and figure out our bearings a bit better, because we're struggling to work out where things are in the inner city, even though we've been here for 48 hours almost. So this is on the opposite side of our apartment, the next street over. So I'm guessing our apartment is up above and behind that yellowy building there. So we're heading into what we think is the old town. We can have a look around in there, try and figure out where things are. Well, we've been wondering where all the tourists are. Finally we found lots of them. Not sure why they're here. This is one of the main parts of town, I guess. And the sign this way pointed to the river port, I think. Maybe where all the cruise boats come in from. Okay, I think they're interested in looking at this building. It is very beautiful. And a fountain. We've walked down this end to the Hans Christian Andersen statue, and then straight in front of us where we were just a second ago, that's as far as we went. That is the road we were walking along the bridge of this morning, and slightly to the left over there is the river again. So now we're turning around going back. Certainly a beautiful shady area there. Right, we're coming off that main park kind of walkway now. We're heading into the inner part of Old Town, down this way. That building's the old town hall. Not sure what the name of the square is. We'll find out. It's not that hot today, but people are still enjoying the mist thing that cools you off. So if you look up there on the side of the town hall, that round circle that's black, that is an embedded cannonball that was fired and got stuck in the side of the building. Apparently there's a few of them like that around the town. Certainly a beautiful square. Lots of flowers, lots of statues. Fountains. So that's the back of the old town hall, and here they're cleaning the windows of the Primacial Palace, which is an amazing looking building. And inside there's a statue of St. George. Oh, they're going up or down. Down, coming down. Oh. St. George, no doubt slaying the dragon. That's what he's normally doing, yeah. Alright, we've done a full circle. Come back to the palace and the old town hall. And we go straight across the other side there, and we're looking for a beer garden to have some lunch. Wow. A liquid lunch. After we've had beer, then we might go to the place just by our apartment that does Belgian fries and have some chips. Yum. And here we have the House of Beer. Doesn't look very open, but it says it's open.